Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Stories by Andrila. And of course, this is the season of love because Valentine's Day is around the corner. And what is the official fruit of love? To me it is strawberries. तो आज हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं एक amazing recipe with strawberries. A Nutella strawberry galette in a heart shape. Absolutely going to impress your Valentine's date.
पहले हम डालेंगे 200 ग्राम्स ऑफ मैदा यानी कि रिफाइंड फ्लावर. उसके अंदर हम डालेंगे 1 टीस्पून ऑफ बेकिंग पाउडर एंड फिर हम डालेंगे 1/4 कप ऑफ कास्टर शुगर एंड फिर हम डालेंगे 100 ग्राम्स ऑफ अनसॉल्टेड बटर एंड इसको हम अच्छे से मिला लेंगे विदाउट एडिंग एनी वाटर फर्स्ट, जब तक कि ये एकदम कोर्स ब्रेड क्रम्स की तरह ना रिजेंबल करे. And now we will go in and add 3 tablespoons of water and bring the dough together very nicely. It should be a nice firm dough and we are going to rest it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now let's prep our strawberries. We are going to wash them nicely and cut them in half and keep it aside. My dough has now rested and now I'm going to take half of it and keep the remaining half for later. And I'm going to place this half between 2 parchment paper ताकि मेरा excess मैदा use ना हो, and I'm going to roll it out to 1/8 of a thickness. And now we'll remove the parchment paper and pierce it with a fork so it does not puff up. And we're going to go and cut into a heart shape because of course we're making a beautiful heart shaped galette. हम excess dough भी हटा देंगे and we will keep it for later. And now we will take Nutella and spread it all over the tart except for 1 inch from the edges. अब हम अपना half strawberries लेंगे and we'll put it on the Nutella covering the whole tart. अब sides को आप strawberry के ऊपर fold कर दो अच्छे से and be very gentle and careful so as not to break the tart. फिर इसको हम carefully parchment paper के साथ बेकिंग ट्रे के ऊपर रख के इसको हम ओवन में बेक करने के लिए डाल देंगे एंड वी विल बेक इट फॉर 25 मिनट्स एट 180 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड जब तक कि ये ब्यूटीफुल एंड गोल्डन ना हो जाए. देखिए कितना खूबसूरत है ये टार्ट्स. दे आर ऑल रेडी.
And this is my strawberry Nutella heart-shaped galette, which is absolutely going to impress your Valentine's Day. I'm off to enjoy this with Varun. I'm gonna catch you guys later.